For any YouTube video, you can download a written transcript or the subtitles of any video. And this is especially useful, for example, if you want to study what someone is saying or you want to edit your own video into a blog post. So let me show you an example of a video. This is the video open right here. Now I want to download the exact transcript. If we play the video for a little bit, you can see the transcript is showing here. So you can download that. And the method is very simple. I'll just click on these three dots here. Let's click on these three dots and click on show transcript. Now here, if we scroll down a little bit, it will show you this show transcript option. Click here again and it will take a little time to download the transcript and it says no result found. Let's change it to default. Now we can see the transcript, but as you can see that it appears with the timestamp. I just want the simple text. So afterwards, what I'll do is just click on this three dots again here and click on the toggle timestamps. Now you can see that the transcript timestamps are now removed. Now the best way to copy all of this transcript is not Control A or something, because it will select the whole screen, all the text will be selected. The best way to copy and paste it in your Word document is to scroll down and start copying downwards to upwards. So keep moving and like this. All the transcript is selected. Now just you can simply copy this and paste it in the Word document and paste it right here. Now we can see that all of the transcript word by word is saved in a document, and this is the simplest possible way to download this transcript. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.